A healthy flock starts with healthy feed. Hi, I'm Alan Smith, and this is my flock. Well, part of it anyway. Hey there, little guy. If you know me at all, you know that I'm crazy about chickens. So it's very important to me that they're all well cared for. Isn't this little guy adorable? It's a Buff Orpington. Because I enjoy poultry so much, I've partnered with Hubbard Life to help answer your questions about caring for poultry. And I have one from Danelle Rosenberry Sargent. Danelle asks, what's the typical startup cost if you're looking to have a few chickens and a coop for housing them? Well, the prices for keeping chickens are really kind of all over the place, but for 3 hens, it would be $3 to $30 per chicken, depending on the age and the breed, etc. The coop, if you build it out of recycled materials, could cost maybe $150 up to something really fancy, maybe even $2,000. The average is around $500. Then for the feed, you need to allow approximately $15 a month, and there'll be some miscellaneous expenses along the way, so you better factor in about $10 a month. You can see how gentle this breed is. The Buff Orpington is one of the most, well, popular breeds out there. People love their golden color and their gentle disposition, not to mention those delicious fresh eggs. If you're not raising chickens, you're missing out. I hope you'll get some soon. Right, guys? What do you say, buddy? You're getting big.